Hi, today we are learning about Excel users interface. What is Excel users interface? Once you open the Excel program, the screen is what we call the interface. Now, in an Excel screen, it has so many features. Today I want to we go through them one after another. I want to show you a number of them. As you can see, we have the blank workbook. This blank workbook, it has many features. Some of the features are quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is just a common command which contains the most useful commands, no matter the tab that is opened on your screen. Let me show you the quick access. This is the quick access tab. It contains the commands mostly used that you don't need to navigate any tab to use or to perform a task. For example, as you can see in this quick access, it has a save button. It has redo and undo button. It has a undo and redo button are just activated. If you want to activate more commands on it, you just click on it. Just click on it. Then you will see a number of the selected ones. They are the one which appears on the top, like save option, undo and redo. Those are the ones you can see just here. If you activate save, you will see that the option of new command has been activated and it is active on top of it. If you activate open, the command for opening files, it's activated at the top, just the same as email for attachment of any document. If you want to attach any document, you can use that email and attach your document to the emails. So if I deactivate, you will see them disappearing from the quick access toolbar. These are the commands mostly you can use regardless of the tab that is opened. Number 2, we have file button. On the top left of your Excel screen, it has this file tab or button. Once you click it, it launches a dialog box that has so many commands which are used to perform or to perform more settings on the screen. for example, once you click the file button, it will navigate a backstage view option which contains the following commands: save, that is save and close spreadsheet, obtain information part of it, the recently opened files, creating new worksheets and templates, sharing and exporting spreadsheets, printing, the help, close option, and many others. Number three, we have ribbon. Ribbon is this, let me show you. Ribbon, this is what we call ribbon. Ribbon, this is what we call ribbon. Ribbon this is the ribbon. It contains group of commands under each specific tab for performing different operations and functions. For example, in this active tab, the home tab, it has other underneath commands grouped together. Just as you can see, we have the clipboard. The clipboard bears copy and paste commands. We have font, which bears that is command for font setting, alignment command setting, numbering and styles, cells, and editing. So the ribbon tabs, number 4, the ribbon tabs is a tab that organizes commands by group. For example, we have home tab, we have insert home tab, we have insert home tab that has tables. You can insert tables, illustrations, just like pictures, shapes, and screenshots. We have also charts. You can insert any type of or any kind of chart that you want. It has different charts. As you can see, we have sparklines, columns, win and lose. We have pie chart. We have bar charts. We have the slicer, time, hyperlink. You can also insert a text box into your worksheet, a header or footer. You can insert a word art, signature, or an object, or you can also insert an equation depending on the function that you want to use, or the calculation you want to use, mathematical one. You can also insert symbols just as you wish. Any symbol you can insert it in your worksheet. And number 5, we have tackled it. We have just looked at it. The dialog box that launches the underneath commands. This is the dialog box, the small button you can see here. Once you click it, it launches. For example, here under font setting, once you click it, it will direct you to a dialog box for format cells. Format cells, where you can format your data just as required. The font style, the font style, the size, the effect. You can strike through, you can superscript the text or the value, or subscript it. That is it. Number 6, we have tell me what you want to do. This is tell me what you want to do. You can search anything from Excel using this tab here. Number 4, we have name box. Depending this name box or address box, this is the name box. Now, as you can see, it is, I have selected B8, that is column B number 8, column B row number 8. That is, this name box shows the active cell you have selected. And number 9, we have formula bar. This is the formula bar tab, formula bar space part. It shows anything that you have currently active in the cell selected. Collapse ribbon tab button, this one, the small one here. If you, now I have expanded it, now I can collapse it. Let us come to a cell. What is a cell? The current part, selected part, that is what we call a cell. For example, where I've selected, this is a cell. Then what is a cell? A cell is a rectangular point of intersection of columns and rows where you can input or type your data or copy paste your data. Select all button. You can select the entire of your worksheet using this button. This is what we call select all button. Once I click it, it will select the entire worksheet. Once I click outside, it deselects the worksheet. We have rows. What are rows? Rows are horizontal set of cells, horizontal sets of cells running from left to the right. That is what we call cell, and that is what we call rows. A single worksheet contains 1,448,576 total number of rows from number 1. They are named in using numericals or numbers from number 1 up to 1,048,576. Number 13, we have columns. Columns, these are vertical set of cells running from top to the bottom. A single worksheet contains 16,384 number of total columns, which are named using alphabetical letters A, B, C, D, A, B, A, B, C, D, up to XDF, the last column in each and every worksheet. Active cell indicator. Once I click any part of the worksheet or in any cell, you can see this rectangular part which is highlighting that cell. That is what we call active cell indicator. Sheet button selector. Sheet button selector. These are the sheet button selector. You can move to the left, to the right, depending on you can right click. These are the buttons used to move to the left. Active worksheet. The tab, this is the active worksheet. My active worksheet is this one, MS Excel users interface. That is my active. I have another sheet here which is also active in my cell. This is another one. Number two, the other one, we have also a worksheet. Worksheet is made up of group of cells. A worksheet, group of cells which can contain a value, a formula, or a text. A group of worksheets forms a workbook. So worksheet tab, this is a worksheet tab 1, 2, and 3. So those are worksheets tabs. New worksheet button. This is the new worksheet button where you can add another sheet into your workbook, just like that. If you click, it will add. Scroll bars. These are the scroll bars. This is a scroll bar, and this one is a scroll bar. These scroll bars, we have horizontal scroll bar which moves the workbook from left to the right and from right to the left. You can also use the upward or downward scroll bar, which is a vertical scroll bar, which is this one. This one, slider. You can also use the button, or you can also drag. You can drag it. Those are the scroll bars. Status bar. This is the status bar. Once you point at it, it shows you it's in a ready mode. Tabbed page buttons. The tabbed page buttons, they are just beneath here. These are the tabbed page buttons for preview of your page. Kuna zoom. We have this zoom bar. Zoom bar is used to zoom your page, your current selected page, the size you want, at a percentage degree that you want. We have a share point. The share point is here. You can share the worksheet with someone, allowing them to edit or to just review the document. Then data. We have the data. Data is any kind of information that is fed into your worksheet. Just for example, if you can start typing, that is some data. So that is Excel interface. We shall be going through the interface as we use our worksheet now to enter data into our screen. Thank you.